Hello everybody, SA Simpu here. Hope you are well. Today we're gonna learn how to see Facebook send friend request and how to cancel them. So let's start. First of all, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative this kind of videos. So let's start. First of all, go to your Facebook app and don't forget to update that app from your Play Store or App Store. And then go to your second option beside the home page, which is friends icon type. After that you can see friend request option, and you can see an option that see all. Now click on see all. Here you can see the request of friends that they want to add with you. After that you can see a three dot in the right top side, so click on the three dot menu, and here you can see in the bottom side see send request or view send request, so click on that. After that you can see the send friend request list, so we went on this video. So here you can see the friends send friend request, and you also can unsend those friend requests by clicking on the cancel option. After that the friend request will be cancelled. So that's all for today. I hope this helps you. If this helps you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. See you in the next one. Bye.